SMS forwarder. Instructions on how to set up email forwarding, the easiest way. Step 1. Authorize and configure the app's background operation, important. Create an account or sign in with Google/username and password. Disable battery optimization, otherwise the app won't work when you close it. Enable notifications to monitor app activity in the background. Step 2. Setting up a forwarding filter, email is specified, and demonstration. Let's create a new simple filter. SMS permission will be required. Enter the email address you want to receive your SMS messages to. If necessary, enable OTP forwarding using the toggle switch. We agree to send a test message to check the operation. Make sure the app notification is showing. We will receive 2 test SMS on our device, with the application installed, and check our email.